Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, finding the perfect freelance niche can completely change your life. It's not just about picking something you're good at. It's about finding something you're good at that people actually want and are willing to pay for. But how do you find that perfect niche? Trust me, I get it. You're out there, hustling, trying to make a name for yourself in the freelance world, and it can feel like you're drowning in a sea of competition. That's why I'm so excited about this video. I'm going to break down the top tools that'll help you research and understand different markets, pinpointing those hidden gems, the profitable niches just waiting for someone like you. So, if you're ready to ditch the feast or famine cycle and build a sustainable freelance career, grab your notepad and let's dive into the tools that'll make it happen. First up, let's talk about Google Trends. Now you might be thinking, Google Trends? Really? That's basic. And yeah, you're right, it is basic, but that's the beauty of it. It's free, easy to use, and incredibly powerful. Google Trends gives you a direct line to what people are searching for online. Millions of searches happen every day, and Google Trends lets you tap into that goldmine of information. Plug in any keyword related to your skills or interests and see its search volume over time. Is it trending up, trending down, staying steady? This tells you whether a niche is growing, stable, or on its way out. You don't want to build your freelance empire on a sinking ship. You can even compare different keywords side by side. Plug both those niches into Google Trends, and boom, you'll see which one has higher demand. It's like having a crystal ball for the freelance market. Google Trends isn't just about finding what's hot right now. It's also about understanding seasonality. Some niches blow up during certain times of the year. For example, if you're a freelance writer specializing in holiday gift guides, knowing when those searches spike can help you plan your content calendar and maximize your earnings. Start by brainstorming a list of skills you have or topics you're interested in. Then plug those into Google Trends and see what's trending. Alright, moving on to the big leagues, SEMrush. This tool is an absolute beast for SEO and competitor analysis. Freelancers like you and me can leverage SEMrush to gain a massive advantage. Think of SEMrush as your all-in-one digital marketing toolkit. It's packed with features, but we'll focus on the ones that matter most for niche research. First and foremost, SEMrush is a keyword research machine. It finds high-volume, low-competition keywords that'll send your freelance business soaring. You can see search volumes, ranking difficulty, and get related keyword suggestions. But here's where SEMrush really shines: competitor analysis. You're not alone in the freelance world. SEMrush lets you spy on your competitors, ethically of course. You can see their keywords, content, and traffic. This information is pure gold. Identify market gaps, spot opportunities, and position yourself as the go-to expert. SEMrush is an investment in your freelance success, and it's worth making. Chapter 3. Answer the public. Uncovering the questions your clients are asking. Let's face it, as freelancers, our job is to solve problems for our clients. But how can we solve their problems if we don't even know what they are? That's where Answer the Public swoops in to save the day. This nifty tool is like a mind-reading superpower for freelancers. It taps into the collective curiosity of the internet and reveals the questions people are asking about your potential niche. And trust me, the insights you'll get are pure gold. Here's how it works. You type in a keyword related to your niche and answer. The public generates a visual map of questions people are asking about that topic. It's like looking into the minds of your target audience and understanding their pain points, desires, and concerns. For example, let's say you're a freelance writer specializing in personal finance. You could plug in investing into Answer the Public and discover questions like, what are the best investments for beginners? Or, How can I invest in real estate with little money? These questions are gold mines for content ideas. You can create blog posts, articles, social media posts, even video scripts like this one, addressing these specific questions and positioning yourself as the go-to expert. The beauty of Answer the Public is that it helps you go beyond just keywords. It helps you understand the intent behind those keywords. Chapter 4. Uber Suggest: Finding Your Niche Sweet Spot with Neil Patel. Now, let's talk about Uber Suggest, the brainchild of marketing legend Neil Patel. This tool is like having a personal SEO advisor in your back pocket, guiding you through the often overwhelming world of keyword research and competitive analysis. One of the things that sets Uber Suggest apart is its user-friendliness. Even if you're brand new to SEO and niche research, Uber Suggest makes it easy to dive in and start uncovering valuable insights. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Uber Suggest is packed with powerful features that can help you find your niche sweet spot. Just like SEMrush, Uber Suggest excels at keyword research. You can plug in any keyword and instantly see its search volume, competition, and even estimated cost per click if you're thinking about running ads. But here's where Uber Suggest really shines for freelancers. It suggests long-tail keywords. Now, if you're not familiar with long-tail keywords, these are longer, more specific phrases that people search for online. For example, instead of just targeting freelance writer, you could go after freelance writer for tech startups or freelance writer for sustainable living brands. See, long-tail keywords are like hidden gems. They have lower search volume than broader keywords, but they're also less competitive, meaning it's easier to rank for them and attract targeted traffic to your freelance services. And that's where the magic happens. Chapter 5. Social Media: Tapping into the Power of Community Insights. Now, here's the thing. Niche research isn't just about staring at screens and crunching numbers. Sometimes, the best insights come from real people, having real conversations. And where do we find those conversations? That's right, social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and Reddit are like giant focus groups, just waiting for you to tap into their collective wisdom. Don't underestimate the power of these platforms. They're gold mines for understanding what's trending in your niche, what people are talking about, and most importantly, what problems they're facing. LinkedIn, for example, is a gold mine for B2B freelancers. Join groups related to your niche, engage in conversations, and pay attention to the questions people are asking. What are their pain points? What kind of services are they looking for? The answers are right there in front of you. Facebook groups are another fantastic resource. Find groups where your target audience hangs out and become an active member. Ask questions, participate in discussions, and listen to what people are saying. You'll be amazed by the insights you'll gain just by being present and engaged in these communities. And then there's Reddit, the self-proclaimed front page of the internet. Reddit is a treasure trove of niche communities, known as subreddits. Find subreddits related to your niche and start exploring. Outro: Find your niche, build your empire. So there you have it, my top tools for researching freelance niches. Whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot, these tools will help you make informed decisions and find a niche that's perfect for you. Remember, picking the right niche is like laying the foundation for a skyscraper. A strong foundation leads to a strong business. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try, or if you have any other recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!